Do I need to repeat? No, wait, hold on. No, right? Hold on. Do I need to repeat the fact that when I say Jesus is the Father, I mean what you mean? That Jesus is the incarnation of the Father, so that's the
Hello YouTube, I hope you're well. As you can see, if you've been watching this, you can see that I've blown multiple accounts. The good thing is this is just a practice account. Just practicing. This is not the way to trade if you're going to be trading.
Order filled.
This is merely a practice account, so please be aware of that. Again, I guess if it's a practice account, I should be practicing the way I intend to trade real accounts. But I'm just having a bit of fun.
Order filled.
Don't do this in your real account because it's not the right way to be if you're going to be trading. So be careful. I said this is just a practice account. That's all it is.
Order filled.
I can reset it as many times as I want, which is why I'm doing this. So just be careful. That being said, hope you're well. You've had a good day so far. And you're trading right, applying your own principles and trading plans and things like that. So if you are, best of luck to you, and if you're not, just try to be disciplined. Don't trade the way I'm doing it right now. This is a practice account. This is a lesson in how not to actually trade. So please do be careful when you're doing this. Okay.
Order filled.
And one more. I should really stop doing this now because this will affect me tomorrow if I keep doing this. It'll affect me tomorrow if I'm not careful.
Order filled.
See? I already lost that. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think I'm gonna lose this as well now. Right.
Order filled.
Let's reset. So that's what happens when you're not disciplined. And this is what can happen when you are disciplined. So this is that's the difference between being disciplined and not being disciplined. So I'm going to try and be disciplined now. Enter into trades with a valid reason, not just willy nilly. Have a reason to trade, and not just do it without any kind of reason. So, and this is going to be the difference. So, as you can see here, this is on the 15 minutes time frame. There is a bit of a channel here. So if I can follow that, so it's hit this channel line, and what could potentially happen is price would go around there. So it's better to go long here, I believe. So this is
Order filled. Order filled.
I hate this. So let's go long.
Order filled.
Put this down there. So we've gone long. This is what being a disciplined trader looks like. Everything is calculated, and you're taking minimal risk. So the reason I've gone into this trade is that all my exponential moving averages are showing the upward direction, which means I can go long. Price is above VWAP, and there is also a channel here which price could range in between. So this is a channel here. Boom, boom. No, it broke the channel a little bit, but came back down. We tested it. Now we're here again. So the idea is price may go all the way up there. So that's why I've gone long. So the best thing to do now, if you're being disciplined, is to try maybe, let's see what I'll do. I'll take some profit. So the difference between being a disciplined trader and a non-disciplined trader is just that as a non-disciplined trader, you're just entering into trades without thinking, without any kind of thought process, and that if you do it that way, as I've demonstrated, you lose multiple accounts. So being disciplined is the key to being successful here.
Order filled.
And taking fewer trades, I guess. So so we'll go into one more long, and then that's it.
Order filled.
So one more long. The reason I've gone long is because, as I said earlier on, there is a bit of there's a channel pattern that's formed in the upward direction. So I'm going to try and minimize my loss. I could be stopped at any minute from now, or maybe not, because this is formed like a micro double bottom. So that's a micro double bottom is formed, and we're likely to proceed higher again. So where would be the ideal stop area? I would say here would be my ideal stop area, or even here might just be, let's take some profit off the table, slow and steady, and being
order filled.
methodical. So that's the difference between being disciplined and not being disciplined. When you're disciplined, you take trades based on your analysis. When you're not disciplined, you take trades based on your whims, based on how you feel, based on what the candlesticks are doing. But right now, because the candlesticks are jumping up and down, I feel like, just go long. But it could go against you very sharpish. The reason for that, again, is because you can see here that a double top has formed, and double top has formed, which means you can go down again. So on a 5 minutes time frame, let's see what the charts are doing. Let's see. And price is still within this range here. Again, it could carry on going up or not, but let's see. The best thing to do, actually, let me see if this makes any difference. No. Possibly this, no. Again, but price has touched this line, say 1, 2, 3. Top one, 2. So it might go all the way up here. So what I'll do, I'll put one more long in.
Order filled.
And I'll put my stop right here. Actually, I'll put my stop here. Because once it breaks this trend line here, there'll be no reason to go long anymore. It'll be a short. It should be a short entry. So I'll put my stop loss here and my profit target. Maybe up to the middle. I'll put my profit target here because there seems to be some sort of strong resistance around here. So I'll put my profit target there, and then I'll leave it. And after this, I'm gonna call it the day. Stop trading. Yeah, so that's it. That's my thought process. See what happens. See where price goes, and okay. The other things is that no one ever went broke by taking some profit. So maybe what I'll do. So there's also a fine balance between breaking even and giving your trades room to maneuver. So I can leave this right here and run the risk of losing 100, well, that's a lot. I don't want to run that kind of risk. That's too much. So what I'll break even. So if it goes against me, it goes against me. But I'll leave it at that. That was a lot. So there's always a risk between moving your stop losses to cover your gains, and just leaving it where originally is. In terms of this one, I've moved it up just to de-risk my trade, remove any sort of risk of losses away from my trade, and preserve my capital, if you can say so. But yeah, that's why I moved up. But I could be stopped out.
Order
But
filled.
I've been stopped out. So, so the best thing to do now, I've made some gains. For me, the best thing to do now is just to stop trading. Stop trading. Preserve what you've made. Tomorrow's another day. I don't have to carry on trading, because I guarantee you, if I carry on trading, I'm going to lose everything. I'm going to lose it. I'll start seeing formations and patterns that'll make me make a trade. For instance, now I'm seeing what looks like a flag pattern. I'll show you what looks like a flag pattern here. One, and that could be completely wrong. Okay, I'm seeing the flag pattern, and I'm tempted to go short. Okay, tempted to go short, but that's on the 5 minutes time frame, and the 1 minute time frame. Again, is it really a flag pattern? It could be. If not anything, there's a channel formation just right there to the upside. So, but the overall trend is down anyway on a 1 minute time frame. So what I could potentially do is wait for price to hit this area and then go up, or jump into a trade
Order filled.
without any thoughts. You make something, but potential to lose is also high when you do things like this. So break even. So I'm not completely price could hit this area here. That's what it could do. Hit that area. And then so compared to what I was doing earlier, I was just going long, going short, not thinking about what I was doing.
Order filled.
So yeah, so that's the best way to do it, slow and steady and not rushing things. So anyway, I'm gonna stop now. As I said, this is a practice account, and you know, let me take one more.
Order filled.
Is this a long or short? See, I meant to go long, but I pressed short instead. Stupid.
Order filled.
So long.
Order filled. Order filled.
So one more.
Order filled.
So again, this is not the best way to do it. See, already it's gone against me so badly. Why? Because I'm over trading. I'm not planning my trades. I've gone into that space in my head where I just press buy, 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 buy. And the account says bye bye to you. Okay. So and rather than get out of a losing trade straight away, I hold on to it. It is true what they say that we are fearful when things are going well, and optimistic when things are going really badly. Like now, I'm optimistic that it will go in my favor when it's indeed
Order
going
filled.
against me. So
Order filled.
the good thing is this channel has been broken, I think, and I'm gonna go short.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Nope. The channel has been broken. It could come further down.
Order
not.
filled.
See, folks, this is what happens when you're not disciplined. It's not the best way to do. Not the best way to do these things. I'm gonna go short. So
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I believe this is a sell. What I'll do to be disciplined with this one, I'm gonna stop trading after 2 trades, and that's it. I'll close it, and that'll be it for today. And this is a practice account, so it's gonna go against me anyway, in a minute from now. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yes, again, reset, practice. It's free. Why not?
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna sell.
Order
That's
filled.
screaming sell to me. Sell.
Order filled.
The reason I'm selling is because that channel line has been broken. Or, having said that, it's forming a new base for a channel line. And this is what happens when you overtrade. The channel line hasn't actually been broken, it's still there. It is still there, definitely still there. What we'll do is but if it does get taken out, there'll be an opportunity to go short. I'm going to close this
Order filled.
and buy.
Order filled.
And then leave it.
Order filled.
Bye. So if you're watching this in the future, this is absolutely not the right way to do any kind of trading. This is a practice account, so so don't follow what I'm doing. Do not follow what I'm doing, because apparently I don't know what I'm doing. So just be careful. I'll say again, this is just a practice account. Just practicing and fooling around, basically. Watch it break that line now. It hasn't been able to break it, but
Order filled.
let's see.
Order filled.
So this line is solid, not been broken. Well, been broken now, I guess.
Order filled.
Been broken. Let's reset for the last time. Last time, reset. Last time, reset. Hasn't been broken. It's just annoying, isn't it?
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. Take some profit before it goes against you. Come on. I promise this will be the last trade for today. Still hasn't been broken. So this line here is pretty solid, I think. because every time price hits it, it goes back up. But the bears are gonna try and push through that line. If they do, there'll be a lot more opportunity to go short. They actually have, but it's then forming double bottoms. So let's see. Goodbye.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What's this?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So this is it. I'm gonna stop trading. Leave it. It's a shame that you can't lock the practice account. If you could, I would have just locked it and then walked away. But this is it for now. I'm gonna stop trading. There's no point. Okay. Anyway, have a good one. Take care. Goodbye.